Hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back. And oh man, let's cook a pizza on the Blackstone. Oh man, patio oven pizza grill. Folks, I'll tell you what, first let's take a look, because I've talked to you before about how they don't make these anymore. Guess what? They're making them again. So let's take a look at that, and then let's take a look at our pizza. All right, so yeah, there it is. I looked for it on Amazon, couldn't find it there, but I went to Blackstone's site and they're selling it as the ultimate pizza oven bundle. So apparently it comes with the grill. Here it features Blackstone pizza oven cover, 2 pizza trays, large pizza peel, and then obviously the Blackstone cover. And it's, well, it's $600, folks. When I got this, and I mean, it looks exactly like what we got here. I could have swore I paid $300. I know we didn't pay $600. So this thing is, yeah, you can get it again, but I don't know why it's $600. So I tell you what, if you pick one up used, they're great. I don't know if I'd pay $600 for it. Let's cook some pizza. All right, folks, we're doing take a bake tonight. Here's the cardboard that comes with it. This is what you cook on it in the oven. I have flipped this over, remove this. I will reuse this to serve, but there's your dough. Now I've gotten just a ton of people tell me other things. You can put this, but I'll tell you what, I keep coming back to cornmeal. Now you see when it says here 30 pizzas, my wife and I cooked not 30, but I believe 24 pizzas in 1 hour using 2 of the Blackstone pizza ovens. And we used cornmeal in all of them, and it worked great. And the whole theory is that you take them and you flip them over, and then I'll tell you what, I'll show you how to flip them back. You know, by the way, I'm using the ultimate pizza peel. I did a review of this. This thing, I keep coming back to it. It works pretty nice. So what we do is we just take a pizza, put the ultimate pizza peel on the top of it, and then we just flip it over like that, and then you got a pizza right there, folks. So this is ready. See that? This is ready to go on to the Blackstone. All right, let's get her on there. Give it a couple look-sees. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Less than let's break some bubbles here, folks. Less than a minute and a half in, and can you believe they sell this on Amazon? It's a bubble breaker for pizza. So just about done. That's a minute and a half. Oh man, that 30 seconds later, that's ready to come off. Give you a look, see once plated up. All right, there it is. I'll tell you what, folks. Oh man, you want to see the backside? Look at that, golden brown. That's nice pizza right there, folks. I've given a lot of criticism to Blackstone, but this thing just cooks awesome. It really does. And you know, if you want to spend $600, go for it, because it'll produce the best pizza you've ever had. Tom Horseman on YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, appreciate you watching. Thank you.